Hello everyone and welcome back to another Universe Sandbox 2 video, and today we are returning to the custom object creation series. So yeah, this is like episode 7 or 8 now, I think. I'm just losing track. There's just too many episodes now. Yeah, but you guys seem to really enjoy it, so I'm going to keep doing it since you enjoy it so much. So today, I actually have something very special to show you. So as you can see right now, we are in the simulation I usually use to make custom objects. But this one is a little obsolete now, so I'm gonna get rid of this because yeah, but this is obsolete now, and I'm gonna go in here instead. So straight away, you can see. Look at these gas giant colors. Look at this. We have an all red gas giant. We have an all orange, an all yellow, green, which is what we really wanted. A lot of people have been wanting a green gas giant. We've also got a cyan one, so a light blue. We've got blue. Then we've got purple, white, and then we got a black one. And now this is one I've been wanting as well, because now we can make a proper Trace 2B. So the darkest planet ever discovered. We can make a proper one of them now. So it's going to be cool. Then I just thought I'd put some of my custom colors up here because, yeah, do not credit me for this. This is all some dumb gamer. He made all of these objects for me, and he sent me a link in yesterday's GTA video. So many thanks to some dumb gamer for these objects, because yeah, if you guys want them as well in your game, there's a download link on yesterday's GTA video. So yeah, go and check that out, because yeah, the download link for these objects will be here. So you will get a simulation with all of these coloured planets in here. So all of these coloured gas giants we're going to use. And then we also got this guy. So this is a green rocky planet, but it actually has a green atmosphere. So if we just go ahead and do this, so we'll just make it an ice world. Look at that atmosphere. We've actually got a proper green atmosphere now. So do you guys want green atmospheres? There you go. We can now actually have a proper green atmosphere. So it's replaced the old green one because that's obsolete now. This is a proper green. So yeah, look at that green atmosphere. That just looks awesome. And also, one thing I didn't know that we could do as well is this has a green trail on it. And then the same with all these gas giants here. This has a red trail, this has orange. If you see when I'm selecting them, you can see that yellow circle below the planet there. That's the colour of the trail. We've obviously got the green one with a green trail. The green trail is really cool. We've got a cyan, we've got a blue one, which is already quite similar to Planet 9's trail up there. We've obviously got a purple one as well. This looks more like a magnetic colour, but yeah, we can roll with it for now. So yeah, there's that. We've got a white one with a white trail, and then we've got the black one that doesn't even have a trail. I've already tried putting it in simulation. There's no trail, which I think is really cool. And then we've obviously got these guys, because I thought I'd update the custom planet simulation a bit, so add a bit more colour to it. So we've got some gas giants now. So I thought I'd put all of my all the same colour gas giants. So these were all random spawns. Obviously, I threw a Saturn in because why not? Because it's all the same colour. And obviously, we put Neptune here in the middle because Neptune is still my favourite, even though these colours are awesome. Neptune, that's still my favourite guy. We obviously got at the custom Uranus colour here as well. We've got Planet 9, that's all one colour. My white object, so this was a random spawn. It looks exactly the same as the modded white colour. So yeah, there you go. If you want, this literally looks like a modded colour. And then I've got my grey one. So now I've got black, white and grey, which is pretty cool. Yeah, since I got all of these custom modded colours all in the same colour, I thought I'd put my all of the same colour gas giants is here as well. So we've got like light green here, the fart planet from one of the other episodes. And then this is the weirdest one. It's a bit more. It's got more than one colour in it, but I thought I'd add it in anyway, just to have a nice list of planets here. Yeah, so there's that. So before we actually get started with making objects today, we're going to go into a solar system, because I want to show you guys the trails on these objects. They look so cool. So yeah, again, this is all credit to some dumb gamer, because he made this, not me. So yeah, thank him in the comments. I'll leave a link to his channel down below. But yeah, there's that. So some dumb gamer, you're awesome. Like, these are so cool. So if we just go down here, I've organised them all already into my list here. So we've got the new green there. We've got the gas giants here. They're all nicely organised. So just look at these trail colours. So there's a blue. So that's like a blue star like Planet 9 already. So that's nothing really that new. But then we got the cyan one. Look at that colour trail. That just looks amazing. So there we've got those guys. Then we'll go green. Look at that green. That is the coolest trail I think I've seen in Universe Sandbox. Look at the colour of that. Then we've got orange. Well, orange is, we can get that with stars already, so that's not really anything too different. Here we've got the purple. Still think it's more of a magnetic colour, but yeah, I'll let it pass for now. This is awesome enough. So we've got the red as well. Obviously, you already got objects like that, like Sedna. We've obviously got white as well. That's pretty cool. Then we've got yellow. This is another unique colour. Look at that trail colour. That is just amazing. So, yeah, so there's all the planets. And then we got the black one. So if we put this in here, there is no trail for the black one. And I've tried putting it on a white background as well. So let's just do this. Wait, white background. Where's the white one? Solid black. No, it's not that one. A solid white. Look, there is no... I can't find a way to get a trail for it. Look, the black one here. Here it is. So you can see it has a colour. It's a black colour. But there's no trail for it. So I think that's a really cool feature. Like how it doesn't have one. That's pretty weird. Yeah, so as you can see here, look at these colour trails. These are literally awesome. Like, that is so cool. I think that is just amazing. So again, many, many big thanks to Some Dumb Gamer for making these for me. Because not only did he spend his time making this, he also put a link for everyone to download. So yeah, just a huge, huge thanks to Some Dumb Gamer. You are awesome. Like, if you've got any other simulations to send in, send them in. Like, because you seem to be able to make some cool stuff here. So yeah, there's that. And also, guys, expect another custom solar system video tomorrow from one of you guys sent one in. So yeah, we'll be checking that out tomorrow. I've already got the simulation in my custom simulations ready to go. So there will be a video on that tomorrow or Monday. So yeah, stay tuned for that. And subscribe if you haven't already, of course. But yeah, there's that. So now, without further ado, let's actually get into making some custom objects. So let's go back into the new creator here. Oh, this is just awesome. Just look at that. So that's cool. Wait, just zoom in here. So yeah, there's all that. It's just so cool. So let's do that. And there we go. So let's begin. So last episode we finished off with making a star called NT2947, I believe. So that star is here somewhere. So let's go and do that. And also, the missing object from last episode, I have recreated it. So there it is there. So the Croatian object. And I did check the video it was in. I did save this object. But for some reason, when we checked or tried to find it last episode, it wasn't there. Very, very mysterious why it wasn't there. So yeah, if you want me to change this object anyway, let me know. But I think you wanted me to remove the water. I can't remember if that's correct or not, but I think you wanted me to remove the water a bit. So I'll go and do that now. So yeah, but if this is wrong, just let me know and I can change it again, since the object is saved again now. So yeah, there's that. So there you go. What do you think of that? Like, looking good? So yeah, so a massive apologies for that, but I literally do not know what happened. If you go back and watch the episode as well, you can see that I did save the object. So I don't know what happened. Maybe I misclicked and it didn't save. I actually don't know. So yeah, there you go. What do you think of that? That looking good. So we've got some water. We've also got it mixed with a nice green sort of colour with the red and the white elevation on it. So it looks pretty cool. So let's just take all that off and there you go. I think that looks pretty cool. Yeah, if you want that update, and just let me know. So let's save this and save. So we did press save there, and then it should be right. Let's see here. There you go. Right there. So it is saved. So that's good. Right, so anyways, let's begin with the objects for the star. So the star we made, let's see if we can find it. There's so many stars here. Da -da -da. Where is the star gone? Come on. I can never find them. Come on, where is it? Did I make the star? I think I did. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I did make the star, so I don't know what's up. It's pretty weird. Oh god, I just clicked on the video. Nope, go away, go back. There we go. Yeah, that's pretty strange. Though I don't know why the object didn't save. So that is very, very peculiar why it did that. So let's go to the comments here. So it's this star here is what we made. So let's paste this in here. Okay, so there's the star. That was the last object we made last episode. So we're going to be making some planets for this specific star. So yeah, there we go. Alright, so let's begin with this. Oh, this green custom object. This green atmosphere is really cool. Yeah, many thanks for that as well. That is really cool. So yeah, there's that. Alright, so let's see here. So here's 2 planets adds for this star. So there's the name. So NT. There's a lot of letters and numbers in there. I'm not even going to try reading that out. So let's see here. So orbit distance. We'll get round to that when we actually start making the system with all of these objects. So massive 0.9 Jupiters. It is a rocky planet. It looks like. So yeah, that's a rocky planet. So 0.7 Jupiters. Okay, and the color is red, green, and orange. Or red, orange, and green. Does he say anything about atmosphere color though? Let's see. Okay, he doesn't say anything about atmosphere color. So he said red, orange, and green. So I think what we're going to do is we're going to use the green atmosphere for this. So yeah, let's try this because he doesn't say any specific atmosphere color. So we are going to try and do it with the green one. So we've got a green atmosphere. So let's keep the high elevation as green. We'll obviously go and refresh it so we get a different surface color or surface type. Then he said red and then an orange. So let's go down to a nice orange. And there you go. Or the green atmosphere looks really cool with that. I'm actually going to try and make some of my own custom objects with this green one because this green one is really, really cool. So there we go. So let's do that. Not really much green shown. We need to split the orange and red up. The orange is too too red, if you know what I mean. There we go. That's more of an orange, I'd say. So let's do that. Make it a little darker as well. Nah, that's too dark. Just go back to that. I think it's too gold though. We need to make it more orange. Like, that's just see that, and then it goes too red again. So let's try and get it in the exact correct point. So somewhere around there, maybe. That's more of an orange, but I want to refresh it again because there's not enough green showing. We need more green. There we go. Come on, green. Give us some green. Lots of green. There we go. It's a bit green there. No, we still need more than that. Come on. Come on, give us some more green. We need more green showing. More high elevation, please. Come on. Anything? Come on, give us a good planet. Oh, it's quite a nice gas giant colour, that, as well. That's a pretty cool gas giant colour, but that's forever saved because we have the custom object, or the green object already saved, so if we ever need that, then we can go back and get it, so... Okay, green, bit of green. Come on, give us some more green. Come on, game. Anything? Yeah, okay, I guess we can roll with that. I think that's got enough green on it. It's a decent amount anyway, so there's that. Now the red. Let's make it a little darker. There we go. If you make the red a little darker, the orange seems to show up a bit more. So I think we can roll with that. There you go. So there's orange. That's definitely a good orange now. So we've got orange, red, and then green as he requested. So yeah, red, orange, and green. So there's that. So looking good. Or since he did say red, orange, and green, did he mean do this actually? So red, then orange, like that, and then green. Because he did say red, orange, green. So I'm going to assume he means this. Maybe? I don't know. Like that? That looking good? Just a little darker green, just so the colours blend better. Let's make the orange a little more darker, like that maybe. There we go. And make the red nice and sort of a bright red. Something like that, maybe. And let's make it a little darker. So yeah, what do you think of that? And then if we have the atmosphere on, like so, we get that real green effect to it. So that looks pretty cool. I think there's a little too much green. Actually, no, I think I'm going to go back with this colour scheme instead. So like this. I think that looks better. Just so the colours mix more. Yeah, I think that looks better. But like I said, if you want me to change it, let me know. But I think this definitely looks better. So yeah, let's make that brighter again. And now let's put the green atmosphere on. And there you go. That is a really nice colour, I think. So yeah, that actually looks really cool. Okay, so we got the name done. Okay, so let's get all the size on it correct. So 0.7 Jupiters. So let's go to Jupiter here. So 0.7 like that. Okay, so it's making it bigger. And the radius is 9,231. So let's lock that first. So then 9,271 like so. So it's making it a lot bigger. Okay, looking good. So we've done that. Water. So it has a bit of water on it as well, so we can add that. Oh, the water's really going to make this look good as well. That's too much water, game. Seriously? Okay. Yeah, the green atmosphere just looks amazingly cool. And this is a modded colour in it as well, remember, so... Can't find this anywhere else. Unless other YouTubers also mod it, but I've never seen a video on modding planets in Sandbox, so I'm guessing not many people do it, so... There you go. Oh, that looks really cool. Once this all heats up, that is going to look really good. So yeah, I believe that is everything for this object. So now we're going to move on to the next one. So it's also a suggestion from the same guy, because it's in the same comment. So it's another planet here. So one Earth in mass. So let's go ahead and save this quick. So save. Then we press save, as you can see. So that's saved. Let's go ahead and check it's in the list as well, just in case, because you never know. So let's see here. NT. So okay, so there it is right there. So we got, there it is. Or you just saw, I just washed that out. You can just see the clouds appear there. The green clouds look so cool. Like, it just looks really cool. Okay, so next up we've got, okay, so let's get the name for that copied. So it's, well, this is a lot larger object. It's got a mass of 1 Earth though. Colour is white for high elevation, green for middle, and beige for low. What does beige mean? What colour is that? Is that a shade? Let me just search that colour up quick, just so I can find it. I don't know what that colour, I don't know what that word is. I've never seen that word before. Oh god, I look like an idiot. Okay, so beige colour. What colour is this? Oh, so it's a light, it's like a sand colour. Okay. It's like a light yellowy orange. Okay, so it's a sand colour. Okay, so let's open that comment up again. Stop closing the comment, stupid me. Okay, so massive 1 Earth. He doesn't say anything about what coloured atmosphere, so green, so it says white for high elevation, green for middle, and that for low. Okay, so I think a colour that could go well with this is this light pink here. I think yeah, because the atmosphere on this is like a white atmosphere, so I think this will be good to use. So let's go ahead and paste that in. And no, I don't want the name of the colour, thank you. Okay, let's get the name of that again, because I do not want to try typing that out. So There we go. So NT29479 or 899C. So that's the B one there. So you can see there. Actually, I think there's a. I think we need to put a space in between the B and the number. There we go. So something like that. Let's go ahead and resave that like that. So save that. Let's put this in. Let's just quickly delete the other one because there's 2 of those now. So we need to delete this one since that's the correct one with a name there. Okay. So there's that. Right. So the mass was 1 Earth. So 1 Earth in mass. Okay, there we go. Then the radius is 2,987 or 29,487. Sorry. So it's lock that, paste that in, enter. There we go. So there we go, looking good. So a lot bigger than the other planet there. That I really like the color scheme on that. It looks really good. So let's make it do that just so we can get some different colors going. There we go. Right now colors. So has some water. So white is for high elevation. So we'll go white. Green is the middle. So you like your greens. So there we go. Bit more green. Let's make it a little darker. Okay. And then this color is a sand color. So we need to go to yellow. Now I think that is the correct color. So something like that. Then obviously it's got like the pinky sort of atmosphere on it. But we can always change that if you don't like it. But yeah, it's got the atmosphere on it as well. Then it's got some water. So we can go ahead and add that. That is way too much water game. So let's lower this. And there you go. What do you think of that? That looking good? So let's just lower that a bit more. I think this colour, we maybe need a bit more yellow with it. Actually, no. If we darken this a bit, then the yellow will show up better. So, yeah, look at that. What do we think of that? That looking good? Because you didn't say any Pacific atmosphere colour, so I just chose the white coloured pink sort of atmosphere. So, that's looking good. What do you think of that? Looking good? And then we'll go ahead and heat these objects up near the end of the episode if I remember to do it. So, save. Save. There we go. So now it should appear there. There it is. So there we go. It's got all those 2 there. We obviously got yeah, where is it? Blah, blah. Actually, where is this one? Wait, Croatian's gone again. Where's it gone? Look, it's not there anymore. Croatian is removed from the list, and you saw I saved it. This object is officially cursed. I do not know what is up with this. What if we just put a different name? What if we just put Croatian? I don't know. Let's just call it 2 or Croatian B. Let's just put it. Call it that for now. Well, maybe that will save. And then we'll save it without the B as well. This object really doesn't want to save because you saw me save it. I'm pressing save now. That is very strange why it kept this. So that's there again. Where did the B one go? That is. I do not know what is that. This Croatian object is very strange. So there's the B one. So where's the B on the list here? That's very strange. Okay, so now it's there. See, it wasn't there a second ago. See, they're both there. So let's see. Let's keep an eye on them, see if they disappear or not. I don't know what is going on with this object. Very, very strange. See, that's the only one that's doing it. So very weird. Okay, so there's that. Okay, so what we got next? Okay, let's see here. Alright, okay, let's see here. Let's go down the comments here. Alright. Ooh, whoa, okay. Here's another one of those crazy comments. Make a star of 1 billion solar masses. I don't even know if we can do that. Like, it's really pretty crazy. So let's base it off this star here. So 1 billion solar masses and a radius of 0.5 light years. Light years? Oh my. Okay. Right. So name it Navonus. Okay. So let's see here. So radius is 0.5 light years. That is huge. That's bigger than the quasi star. That is really big. So 0.5. So is this going to make it a black hole? I don't know. 0.5. That is huge. That is massive. Look how big this thing is. Okay, so there's that. So 1 billion 1 billion suns. Okay, so 1, 10, 100, 1,000. I gotta do this. So 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million, billion. Apparently it works, and it stays. This would be a black hole if in reality. There's no way a star could have this much mass. So there's that. The name is Navonus. So let's go ahead and copy that and then paste it in. So there we go. Let's put a space in front of it as well. Let's just go ahead and quickly save it because stars are always buggy. Because you know sometimes they just pop out of existence for no reason. So and then he says he made up the name. It basically means the star of a trillion fathoms. If I'm sorry if I'm saying that wrong. Temperature is 9,460. So 9,460. So So it's making it more of a blue-white star there. Okay, let's see here. I made up the name, okay. One sun luminosity. So a very big star, but a very low luminosity. So this probably wouldn't heat up many objects since it is a very low luminosity with a big object. So there's that. And then we need to... Oh. Okay, so what would happen to Alpha Centauri? Okay. Oh, this is going to be pretty crazy, actually. So he's asking me to put this... This would be a good idea, actually. Replace the sun with this object. What would happen to Alpha Centauri? I reckon it would suck it in. But yeah, we'll try that in a future video. So just keep me reminded if I forget, if I don't do it. But yeah, keep me reminded. That's a good idea. So there's that. Okay, there we go. Star has a planetary disk. Yeah, we can't add that or rings in this system because this is just a curation simulation. So yeah, we can do that when we make the galaxy simulation. I'm planning for this. That's going to be pretty cool. Okay, let's see what we've got next. Okay, we're almost at the end of the comments for episode 4 now. So that's good. We're making progress. And we're only 20 minutes in. Okay, we're doing good. This is good. Right, so let's see what we've got next. So, let's see here. Oh, God. No, don't want to play my voice. No, shut up. So, let's see here. Can you make a planet for me with 4,600 radius, color orange, red, yellow? Okay, it doesn't say anything about a name, so I guess we can just try and find a name. So, let's go over random object spawn for this. Anyways, let's go ahead and save the star just in case I didn't. Just check it's in the list before we begin. So, custom objects, where are you? Come on. Okay, so where is it? So, it is... Come on, let's have a look here. Star, da, 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 da. Where is it at? Come on, where is it? It's a blue-white star. It should be easy to spot. Come on, where is it? There it is. Okay, it's right there. Okay, so that is saved. Actually, let's go ahead and check on that creation. Okay, so they're still there now. Okay, it's really weird how they keep disappearing. Just go back down here. Let's obviously delete that because it's way too big. So let's now let's go back to these guys. Wow, how many objects are here? Okay, so zoom in. It's gonna take a while since we are like a light year away. So there we go. Okay, here we are. So let's just drag these guys out of the way for now. There we go. Right. So he doesn't say anything. He just says make a planet for me with 4,600 radius, color orange, red, yellow. So it doesn't say anything about names. Literally, that is the only thing the comment says. So let's use a yellow atmosphere because no one ever requests yellow atmospheres. So we're gonna go and use a yellow template for this because no one ever requests it. It's sad. It's one of my favorite colors, yellow. So yeah. All right. Now we just need to get an object. Okay, there we go. Looking. Okay, I like that one. So there's that. So red, orange, yellow. So this is gonna be like a fire sort of color. So let's go with let's keep the high elevation on yellow. Mid will go with red. Let's just should you do that? So just put that as orange quick. Okay, I think I'm gonna go red as that one, orange is this one. So like this. So red, orange, yellow. Ooh, that actually looks pretty cool. And then it has a yellow atmosphere as well to help. So let's just try and get a color where yellow really stands out. Oh, that is, yes, that looks good. I like that. That looks really good. It's got plenty of yellow, plenty of red, plenty of orange. That is like a proper fire planet, this, with those color scheme. So there's that. And it literally just says, that's it. So I just need to get a name. So let's spawn in a random, let's go for random asteroid. What name is this? We'll use that as a name. If you want me to change the name, let me know. So, Umpesti. Okay, let's use that. So, yeah. Let's do that. Actually, no. I got a better. Okay, I'm gonna actually use a name. Let's call it Firefly. I don't know. That name just came to my head for some reason. If you want me to change it, let me know. Just say rename Firefly and then put a name. But yeah. Let's call it Firefly, because it's got really fiery sort of colours. It's got red surface, orange mid surface, and then yellow high elevation. It's got a yellow atmosphere, so it reminds me of like the fire. So Firefly. I think that's good. I think that's a good name. Yeah, what do you guys think of that? Let me know. Yeah, that is a nice, very rare. We do an object with yellow atmosphere, but as you can see from this, yellow atmosphere goes really well with this. So there you go. That looks good. So there's it without the atmosphere there. The yellow adds an extra sort of colour to it. So there's Firefly there. Yeah, I like that. That's a really cool one. So there's that. Right. Can you create a planet for me? IK75. Wait, have I done this one already? Or have I just... I recognise that name. IK75. Wait, have I done that? Oh, I have. Yeah, I've already done it here. So he must have posted the comment on more than one video. Sneaky. So, yeah, there's that there. So you've already done that. Yeah, and he says ice colours, which I've already done. Okay. So we're going back to Juliet Tunes. So this is one of the objects from another one. So I think we need to do an update to it. So that's not a problem. So let's go ahead and find it. So many objects. This is crazy. Let's delete this purple because that doesn't even need to be there. So let's so JU. You see, there it is there. I think this is it. So there we go. Yeah, so Julie, I'm so sorry I can't pronounce this, but yeah, there it is. So, surface is blue, mountains are white. Okay, so let's see here. Surface is blue, mountains are already white. So there we go, just strip the water quick. Yeah, it's got mostly a blue surface. We'll change this to more of a blue though. There you go, you got your white mountains. So it's the high elevation. There you go, pretty much already done there. So let's go ahead and add the water back since it was mostly a water world. Actually, no, let's just delete it and get a new one in quickly. So there we go. And then let's just quickly update that color to more of a blue. So something like that. So it's got the blue, it's got the white, making quite a nice like indigo sort of color. Maybe just lower the water a bit more, just get a bit more of that surface showing. So yeah, what do you think of that? That look good? But like I said, if you don't like it, just let me know and we can change it. Not a problem. So there's that. So let's go ahead and oops. Wait, where's it gone here? Where'd it go? So you could come back. What are you doing? Come on. Where is it here? It's pretty weird. There it is. I don't know what happened there. It all bugged out. So there, it's right there. All right. So now let's go on to the moons. So, oh, we've got. Oh wow, there's a ton of moons. Okay, so we've got to make 3 moons for this, and then that hopefully will end off the episode since I've got some plans I need to do today. So can't make the video as long as usual, but I don't think that's a problem because yeah, we'll make another episode in a few days anyway. So first moon, Juliet Tune 8. I'm really sorry if I'm saying that wrong. So 0.1 moons in mass, 0.1 radius of Earth. Color all white. Some water ponds are found. It orbits about. Okay, so from its planet. Okay, so it's going to be an all white object, but it's going to have some areas of water on it. So it's going to be quite small. So let's actually use the template. Let's go and use the light pink since that's the closest to a white atmosphere. So you want it all white. This is going to be a very bright object. No, we don't want regular pink. We want light pink. Light pink. There we go. So let's put that there. Let's obviously do this. Let's put the name in. So, oh no, that's the wrong name. Oh, dang it. Okay, let me just copy that. So this is Juliet A. So really sorry if I'm saying that wrong. So let's put that in there. So that's good. All right, there we go. So 0.1 moons in mass. Okay, so moons in mass. So 0.1, and then Earth is also lock that. Then it's 0.1 Earths in radius. So that's 10%. So there we go, 10%, like that. Color all white. Okay, so let's make it all white. So let's get rid of that pink. There we go. All right, looking good. Look at that. So that's all white. It's got a white atmosphere. Pretty much the lightest we can make it. Let's also resurface it so it doesn't look like the basic color for it. So there we go. Now we have this. So then he said some water ponds. So we need a very, very little amount of water to it. So, okay, so it's quite hard with it all being white. So we're going to make it quickly black so we can see where the water appears. So let's do that. Okay, looking good. Now let's try and get some water to show up. So, oh wow, it really doesn't want to cooperate this. One click and it adds it, and then it doesn't. That's pretty weird. So let's do that. Wow, what's happening here? Oh, this is bugging out. Pretty strange. Okay, let's just refresh that. Okay, here we go. So we just need some water ponds. So it's going to be very, very little amount of water. We need to get this just right. So let's do this. Will this help anyway? That never really does much, that one. Come on, give us some. I think that's the best we can do it. So some ponds, not really large amounts. Come on, just. Wow, it really doesn't want to work. It does this. Let's lower that a bit. Then do this. Then do that. Maybe? Anything? Come on. Okay, there we go. That's got way less. So there are some ponds we can have. If we just resurface it, trying to get more in the area, maybe. Come on. Anything? Come on, give us some more water. Okay, ooh, that's a little too much on that side. Anything? Come on, give us some more. It's quite a nice colour gas giant, all white as well. Cool. Okay, so let's do that a bit more. Maybe a little bit more. Nah, that's way too much. Definitely not. So yeah, leave it like that. Let's just keep making it hydrogen until we get enough bits of water on it. Okay, yeah, go. We'll roll with that. That's got nice little lakes of water. So then we're just going to go ahead and pull it all back to white as requested. So like that, and there you go. So it has got water lakes there, as you can see. So you can see them there, the darker areas here, the bits that are reflecting a bit. There's a lake right here, as you can see. That's water there. So there we go. Let's go ahead and save that. Nice job. So there we go. Right. So we got next. So the B. So this is the next object. So. Okay, so 0.35 moons. Color is mostly grey. High places are orange, some places black spots found on the moon. Okay, right. So mostly grey, high places are orange. Okay, so let's use an orange atmosphere. Let's use an orange atmosphere for this. So there we go. Right, so let's put that in there. So there we go. So we've got the main planet, we've got A, and then we've got B. Okay, so let's do that. So it's 0.35 moons. Okay, so do this. So 0.35, like that. So lock that, and then he wants the radius to be 60% of Earth, so 0.6. So like that, okay. Let's get a quick drink quick. He says colour is mostly grey, high places are orange. So mostly grey would probably be low elevation, so somewhere like that. High is orange, so let's just go ahead and make it a little more of a darker orange, like that. Then this colour needs to be black, so he said black spots, so that's probably the best we can do, I think, because yeah, he says black spots can be found on the moon. He doesn't want any water on it, so there is that. Maybe if we just do this. There you go. Yeah, what about that? That's got. But I think maybe it would look better if we did this instead. So, like this. Actually, no, that's stupid. No, forget that. Scrap that. No, it looks better this way. Definitely. There you go. What about that? That looked good. That actually looks like a volcanic sort of moon. Yeah, that looks pretty cool. But that's probably the closest we can get to black spots, because as you saw, when I just made the high elevation black and the low elevation orange, it looked pretty stupid. So, yeah, there you go. That looks good. But like I said, if you want me to change it, let me know. So, yeah, we've got a whole set of objects being built up here. So, let's put all them there. There you go. There's your little group of little group here. So, that's looking good. All right, what we've got next? Right. Then we've got one called AB. So, let's copy this. So, it's an asteroid. So, I don't know about mass, radius of it, and radius of it. Asteroid stolen from its stars. Asteroid belt. Colour, it has no colour. So, yeah, asteroids you can't really paint. And yeah, so it's literally just an asteroid. So, yeah, we can go ahead and do that. So, let's basically just get a random asteroid. Like, we can't really do much other than that. So, we can make it quite a large asteroid just so it's a little more bigger. So, let's make it, I don't know, 100 kilometers in radius. And that's too circular. And an asteroid's got to be a little less. Come on, make it so it's, there we go, that's round. Or not round, sorry, it's more of a shape like that. So there we go. So we put that like that. Now, asteroids in my custom objects have to be put near the bottom. So we need to put 3 underscores in front of it. So like this. So 1, 2, 3, like that. But when we put it in the simulation, we can also get rid of the underscores. But yeah, there we go. So now it should be here somewhere. There it is, right there. So it's next to Mr. Spock and Hyperion. So it's right there. So that's saved. And obviously we've got the triple, or these other 3 objects saved as well, so let's try and find them here. Now, I'm really pleased with the way that object over there, this green one, turned out. That is really cool. So let's do that. So yeah, so we got Juliet tune there, then we got B and A, and then we got AB at the bottom there. So there you go, there's all of those done. Yeah, so that is it for this episode, guys. I think, yeah, that's all the comments done on episode 4 now, I want to say. So next video, we can move on to episode 5's comments. So yeah, we can get started with that in the next few days, once I've done, obviously, checking out the new solar system and doing that idea of like Alpha Centauri and the billion luminosity star. But yeah, before we end off, let's go ahead and quickly double check to make sure we saved them all, just in case, you never know. So save you again, then we go to creation again, save, and then obviously these guys here, let's go ahead and save you as well, and then you, there we go, and yeah, save you even though you're already saved. So there we go, all that's done. So now we can go into a new simulation. Let's try and warm these objects up. So yeah, I want to get the ice to melt, because the ice melting will make it even look better. So let's just go into a normal solar system here. Actually, let's just go into a whole new simulation. So there we are. So let's put a sun, just use the good old sun. Right, here we go. So now we've just got to find the objects we made today. So this is going to be a pain. So let's get creation again. So let's do that, and we'll just do the B version as well, just in case. Actually, we need to put these way further out. Obviously, bad things are going to happen, so let's do that. We'll put the regular one there. Let's delete the one close down here, because that'll be bad. Right, so just quickly hit play. Actually, yeah, so they start to warm up, hopefully. Right, so we've done that. So we have to go through all of these. See here. So let's get, oh, the Firefly didn't even have water, so we don't need to melt that down. Let's see here, should get through them all here. So Juliet and A, I know that has a bit of water, so we'll do that. Let's go here. This one looks like it needs heating up, even though we didn't make it today, I don't think. And obviously, these ones here, that green looks so cool. I can't believe that. It looks really, really cool. I like that. I think that's all of them there. Yeah, I'm really sorry if I'm missing out, but there's just so many to go through. It's so hard to spot everything here, so... Okay, this one looks like it needs melting down as well. Strictly, yeah, that looks like it needs melting. Okay, there we go. Let's see what else we got here. Okay, so Utera BS, I think that may need a melt as well. Oh, no, that doesn't. That's not even part of this. What am I saying? Stupid me. Alright, and I think that's everything. Yeah, I think that's all the objects. Yeah, I think that's everything. I'm really sorry if I'm forgetting any, but I think that's everything we've made today. So let's just quickly get a list to see if it works out. So, oh, and the oh no, yeah, we done them. Alright, okay. So there we go. Okay, so we've also got these two creation ones, the really bugged out ones. We've got to melt this down as well. So that'll be good. Wait, does this one even need melting? Wait, is... Yeah, that needs melting down. We've also got these guys here. Yeah, they need melting. Then we've got the really small moons down here. So I think that's everything. I hope. I really hope. So now let's go out of here. Let's get these guys melted. So let's hopefully it'll work. So let's do this. Okay, there we go. So sped up time a bit just so it works. Okay, so let's just go here. Now we need this temperature to heat up. So game, don't mess us up. Come on. Alright, so we'll put you to that. Okay, so lower this as well so it starts to warm up. I'm hoping it warms up. Come on, warm up. Seriously? How's it not warming up from that? Increase the infrared maybe? Right, this doesn't want to warm. Make it closer to the star then. Make it 1 AU away. Okay, now it's warming up. Okay, that's what we want. So 0 degrees. Now warm up. Come on, show us the beautiful green clouds. Come on. Come on, show us the clouds. I really want to see these clouds. Again, because these are really cool. Come on. Oh, it's going to take ages, isn't it? Okay, we'll lower this again. Come on. 20 degrees. Okay, there we go. So it should warm up now. Come on. Anything? What if we do this? Oh, and there you go. Look at those clouds. Look at that. We hit play. Oh, come on. Clouds keep going away. Are you kidding me? Come on. Show us the goodness. Yeah, I hate it when objects... It's really annoying when they do this. Come on. Come on, game. Don't do that. Okay, so there we go. So that's the best we can get for now. So there's the green clouds of it. That looks really cool, doesn't it? Look at that. With the clouds. That is so cool. So let's go and do that. Let's save this. So yeah, you got the, just so the clouds appear in the picture because it just makes it look even cooler. So let's see if we can find it. So let's see where it is. So there it is there. So the clouds are slightly there. It's really annoying we can't get the water to show. If we do this, it'll probably work. Yeah, but that will get rid of the surface we made. So kind of a shame. But yeah, we'll leave it like that because I think it looks good like that. See, there's the green clouds in action as well. You can see them there. Okay, no, they're not in action. Okay, that's just really weird. So annoying how clouds don't work in this very well for some reason. Anyways, let's see what... So this one here, we need to melt you down as well. So let's do this. Okay, this really needs an atmosphere as well. So go 1 ATM. Oh, now this really wants to heat up. Jeez, that is crazy. Okay, so 0. Let's also do this and then lower. Right, on the clouds on this one don't want to cooperate either. We just pause, do this. Come on, add them back. Come on, seriously. There you go. Like that. So that's updated. Boom. And then we'll just put a B after it as well. Like that. Just so it'll replace the second one in that as well. There we go. So now it should both be there. Come on, where are they at? Okay, so they're both there. They've got the water on them now. Okay, there's that done. So there we go. So back to this one here. Let's try and melt this down. So there we go. And I think, wait, did I forget to add this one in? I don't remember. I may have forgot to add that one, so we'll just add that in again. So does this one need melting down? And I think this is meant to be an ice world anyway, isn't it? I can't remember. And this has the desert colours on it. Wait, is there too much water on this right now? There we go. Actually, no, that's pretty interesting, actually. So let's just try and warm it up, just see what it'll look like. Turn off climate. Oh, this was, guys, got climate mode on it. That's what goofed it up. So lower that. Put the atmosphere, surface pressure, sorry. So let's put it at 1. Now I need you to warm up, please. Come on. Warm up. Come on, get out of here. 5. Is it going to work? Come on. Okay, we need to make it closer to the star, maybe. Okay, let's put it at 1 AU. Like that. Come on, warm up. There we go. Now it's warming up. Okay. So here we go. Ooh, the water is going to work. Come on. Please. Okay, there we go. Yeah, for some reason, the water on these welds just doesn't want to work, does it? It's very annoying. We just do this. Pause. There you go. Look at that. There are clouds there as well. We just hide the clouds. There are clouds there. So there you go. That's looking good. So we'll just go ahead and save that. So there's our desert sort of green planet there. So that's looking good. Okay, what we got next? This one down here, I think this needs melting down as well. So 40 degrees. We'll put. It's already got 1 ATM, so let's put it at 1 AU. Play. That should warm up. Yeah, that's warming up a lot. There we go. So there we are. All right, warm up. Come on. So we should just be able to do this. There we go. So let's go ahead and save that. So that's done. Yeah, because it drives me nuts when they don't have it. Okay, what have we got next? This one over here. Where is this one smoking? What are you doing? Why are you smoking, man? Come on, get out of here with that. So let's do this. Anything? Actually, no, I think since I was smoking, I think we'll just leave those ones for now. What about this one over here? Is this one behaving? I wouldn't mind melting this one down as well. Yeah, 90 degrees. That is very cold. So it's only got put it back to 1 ATM. Let's also move it closer to the star as well. Play. Okay, so temperature. How's the temperature going to work? Come on, cool down. Come on, 0 degrees. Okay, it doesn't want to. Come on. 0 degrees. Is it gonna work? Okay, yeah, this one doesn't want to cooperate either. We'll just have to roll with that, sadly. So yeah, there's that. So I think that, yeah, that's mostly everything. So then this one over here, try and melt you down as well. So 0 degrees. Then we'll just lower this a bit. ATM, we'll put you to 1 ATM just for now. Then we'll put it to 50 degrees. Lower this to 1 AU. Play. Hopefully that'll warm up. Oh, and this one wants to work though. See, this is what the object should be doing. They should be staying like that, but for some reason they don't want to do that. So yeah, that is pretty much everything done. So yeah, we'll leave off on that for now. So let's go back to the custom creator again and just gaze upon these glorious gas giants. So yeah, that does it for today's episode, guys. So hopefully you all enjoyed. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe for more. If you've got any more custom object ideas, feel free to leave them down below for rocky planets, of course, because if we make gas giants and everyone wants the green or the yellow one, they're all going to look exactly the same. So we don't particularly want to do that. So yeah, please try not to do gas giant requests because yeah, if more than one person does the same color, then it's going to be pretty mental. So yeah, we'll have to hold off on too many gas giant ideas. So yeah, there we go. That is that, and yeah, that's pretty much everything I wanted to say, guys. So yeah, I'll see you in tomorrow's video or Monday, depending on when it will come out. And yeah, make sure you guys all have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye. Credit me for this is all some dumb gamer. He made all of these objects for me, and he sent me a link in yesterday's GTA video. So many thanks to some dumb gamer for these objects, because yeah, if you guys want them as well in your game, there's a download link on yesterday's GTA video. So yeah, go and check that out, because yeah, the download link for these objects will be here. So you will get a simulation with all of these coloured planets in here. So all of these coloured gas giants we're going to use. And then we also got this guy. So this is a green rocky planet, but it actually has a green atmosphere. So if we just go ahead and do this, so we'll just make it an ice world. Look at that atmosphere. We've actually got a proper green atmosphere now. So do you guys want green atmospheres? There you go. We can now actually have a proper green atmosphere. So it's replaced the old green one because that's obsolete now. This is a proper green. So yeah, look at that green atmosphere. That just looks awesome. And also, one thing I didn't know that we could do as well is this has a green trail on it. And then the same with all these gas giants here. This has a red trail, this has orange. If you see when I'm selecting them, you can see that yellow circle below the planet there. That's the colour of the trail. We've obviously got the green one with a green trail. The green trail is really cool. We've got a cyan, we've got a blue one, which is already quite... So you've already got objects like that, like Sedna. We've obviously got white as well. That's pretty cool. Then we've got yellow. This is another unique colour. Look at that trail colour. That is just amazing. So, yeah, so there's all the planets. And then we got the black one. So if we put this in here... There is no trail for the black one, and I've tried putting it on a white background as well. So let's just do this white background. Where's the white one? Solid black. No, it's not that one. A solid white. Look, there is no. I can't find a way to get a trail for it. Look, the black one here. Here it is. So you can see it has a color. It's a black color, but there's no trail for it. So I think that's a really cool feature, like how it doesn't have one. That's pretty weird. Yeah. So as you can see here, look at these color trails. These are literally awesome. Like. That is so cool. I think that is just amazing. So again, many big thanks to some dumb gamer for making these for me, because not only did he spend his time making this, he also put a link for everyone to download. So yeah, just a huge thanks to Some Dumb Gamer. You are awesome. Like, if you've got any other simulations to send in, send them in. Like, because you seem to be able to make some cool stuff here. So, yeah, there's that. And also, guys, expect another custom solar system video tomorrow from one of you guys sent one in to Planet 9's trail up there. We've obviously got a purple one as well. This looks more like a magnetic colour, but yeah, we can roll with it now for now. So, yeah, there's that. We've got a white one with a white trail, and then we've got the black one that doesn't even have a trail. I've already tried putting it in simulation. There's no trail, which I think is really cool. And then we've obviously got these guys, because I thought I'd update the custom planet simulation a bit, so add a bit more colour to it. So we've got some gas giants now. So I thought I'd put all of my all the same colour gas giants. So these were all random spawns. Obviously, I threw a Saturn in because why not? Because it's all the same colour. And obviously, we put Neptune here in the middle because Neptune is still my favourite, even though these colours are awesome. Neptune, that's still my favourite guy. We also got at the custom Uranus colour here as well. We've got Planet 9, that's all one colour. My white object, so this was a random spawn. It looks exactly the same as the modded white colour. So, yeah, there you go. If you want, this literally looks like a modded colour. And then I've got my grey one. So, now I've got black, white and grey, which is pretty cool. Yeah, since I got all of these custom modded colours all in the same colour, I thought I'd put my all of the same colour gas giants is here as well. So we've got like light green here, the fart planet from one of the other episodes. Hello everyone and welcome back to another Universe Sandbox 2 video, and today we are returning to the custom object creation series. So yeah, this is like episode 7 or 8 now, I think. I'm just losing track. There's just too many episodes now. Yeah, but you guys seem to really enjoy it, so I'm going to keep doing it since you enjoy it so much. So today, I actually have something very special to show you. So as you can see right now, we are in the simulation I usually use to make custom objects. But this one is a little obsolete now, so I'm gonna get rid of this because yeah, but this is obsolete now, and I'm gonna go in here instead. So straight away, you can see. Look at these gas giant colours. Look at this. We have an all red gas giant. We have an all orange, an all yellow, green, which is what we really wanted. A lot of people have been wanting a green gas giant. We've also got a cyan one, so a light blue. We've got blue. Then we've got purple, white, and then we got a black one. And now this is one I've been wanting as well, because now we can make a proper Trace 2B. So the darkest planet ever discovered. We can make a proper one of them now. So it's going to be cool. Then I just thought I'd put some of my custom colours up here, because, yeah, this And then this is the weirdest one. It's a little more, it's got more than one colour in it, but I thought I'd add it in anyway, just to have a nice list of planets here. Yeah, so there's that. So before we actually get started with making objects today, we're going to go into a solar system. So I want to show you guys the trails on these objects. They look so cool. So yeah, again, this is all credit to Some Dumb Gamer, because he made this, not me. So yeah, thank him in the comments. I'll leave a link to his channel down below. But yeah, there's that. So Some Dumb Gamer, you're awesome. Like these are so cool. So if we just go down here, I've organised them all already into my list here. So we've got the new green there. We've got the gas giants here. They're all nicely organised. So just look at these trail colours. So there's a blue, so that's like a blue star like Planet 9 already. So that's nothing really that new. But then we got the cyan one. Look at that colour trail. That just looks amazing. So there we got those guys. Then we'll go green. Look at that green. That is the coolest trail I think I've seen in Universe Sandbox. Look at the colour of that. Then we've got orange. Well, orange is, we can get that with stars already, so that's not really anything too different. Here we've got the purple. Still think it's more of a magnetic colour, but yeah, I'll let it pass for now. Just, this is awesome enough. So we've got the red as well, obviously